Hello, welcome to this tutorial by VoteFrenzy. In this video, I am going to show you how to create your own poll within 2 minutes. First of all, you need to download the VoteFrenzy app in order to create your own polls. After you downloaded the VoteFrenzy app, push the plus sign in the right corner to start your poll. After that, the first step is to write down your poll question. You can choose yourself what you want to ask your community. After that, you can add an image for your poll to make it easier for people to recognize your poll. You can upload an image that you made or just make a quick Google search and add an image to your poll. It should be an image that represents your question. Then you can write down different answers and add as many answers as you want. This always depends on the question that you're asking. To make sure that people really find your poll, you can also add hashtags and choose a rubric that works for you. We have many rubrics like sports, games, social, video, or music. This is just to make sure that you find the right audience for your needs. After that, you're almost done with your poll. You have to choose how long should your poll available, and then you can post it and share it with your community. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website, votefrenzy.com, for more information and download our app to create your first poll.